third approach, those self-obsessed, selfish megalomaniacs who believe that everything should be their way and their way only. The people who should only be growing silk plants and not live plants. The people who don't realize we don't own plants, we just tend to them. And those people who don't understand the Japanese philosophy of perfection in imperfection. They'll go in with their shears and just cut off every single aerial root they can find because it offends their sensibilities. Well, perhaps they don't even deserve silk flowers, just give them plastic. And anyway, these aerials are probably their very own fault for probably not looking after their orchids appropriately.